Secretary Jong Jala uba Donald P. Walang mentakas ngi ula pentip paya ka Kaiphod Jong ki angut kit-kat committee Halor ki Jingjia ka Skulbah North Eastern Hills University ladep ban pa syaka Tnad makhmi ya ka Pule Puthi Henry Halor ki Kaiphod na kaliang ka sarkar jala ka klem don jingtip namar ba ka klem pha lang syaka sarkar jala dang shen kala don ru ya ka jinya kedo bat ki he officer Jong Tnad ka Pule Puthi uba walang ulaong bakade ka Kaiphod menta ka don hapok ka jing Bishar bania Jong Tnad hakaba kin sa shim ya karai bakin sa ai jing tipat sya ka sarkar jala ya ka ei bakade banle
privy to the report till now and we don't know what is the content of the report, but it has been submitted to the ministry. I had a meeting with the Secretary of Higher Education. I had a meeting with the Additional Secretary who's in charge of the central universities also. We have had a long, fruitful discussion. The report is being scrutinized at the ministry level. They will sift out what needs to be shared with us, and thereafter then we'll take it forward from there.